Imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire, you will what you imagine. And at last, you create what you will. Quote unquote by George Bernard Shaw. Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'ams, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Vaishnavi and Swati are privileged to present today's collaborated virtual assembly on behalf of Class 9D and 3rd C. Today's theme is National Readers' Day and National Constitution Day.
George Herbert once said, prayer should be the key of the day and love of the night. So let's begin our beautiful day with a prayer.
Pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. I would like to call upon Adarsh to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Larger the island of knowledge, longer the shoreline of wonder. A beautiful speech is the best source for gaining wisdom. So here comes Advait to inform us about National Readers' Day.
Books give a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Quote unquote Plato. A very good morning to all the viewers of this program. I, Advait of Class 9D, would like to talk about reading and its benefits on the occasion of National Reading Day. June 19th every year is celebrated as the National Reading Day. This is to commemorate the death anniversary of Puthuvayil Narayana Panikkar or P.N. Panikkar. He is known as the father of the library movement in Kerala. P.N. Panikkar, a teacher by profession, contributed towards the cause of literacy, education, and spreading the significance of libraries and reading. Reading is the best hobby anyone can develop. Books are a treasure trove of knowledge. There is a vast universe of books on plethora of topics. Also, with digitalization having its influence in every walk of our life, we can now access almost any book or title as an e-book from numerous sources. Reading as a habit has multiple benefits. It helps in sharpening memory, expanding knowledge base, improving our vocabulary, enhancing our concentration, and gives us stronger analytical thinking skills. Reading also strengthens the brain and delays the onset of degenerative diseases like brain diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. With the COVID-19 pandemic confining us to our homes, virtual classes taking place, we are on our gadgets and screens. So let us make it a
get in, but rather how many of them can get through. Mortimer J. Alder. Let's take the Reader's Day pledge along with our friends.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am presenting the Reader's Day pledge in front of you. Now I would request everyone to repeat the pledge after me. Reader's Day pledge. Today I, Shraddha, stand and pledge with full faith of my ability to grow through reading. I pledge to promote the development of my country through judicious reading of knowledge resources in print or digital media. I shall respect myself and others too. I shall shine the light of knowledge gained to solve the problems I face, as well as the challenges affecting my country. I realize that today we face multiple challenges, be it poverty, unemployment, pandemic, natural calamities, corruption, substance abuse, climate change, etc. I shall make reading a habit and be a solution to these challenges. I shall ensure best compliance to the legal framework of my country and shall strive for a secure and secular atmosphere. I shall strive to raise high the value of knowledge and the pride of my country with my thoughts, words and deeds. Thank you.
An assembly seems empty without a program. It's time to cheer the students of class 3 as they come with a fantastic performance.
Hi, I am Cinderella. I am going to present a skit before you. Oh God, please help me. I am treated so badly. If my mother would be alive, this would not be happened. Oh God, please help me. Oh my God, who are you?
I am God Fairy. I came here to help you. I am going to help you out from this problem.
Wow, what a fancy dress! And the fancy hairstyle also! And the shoes are new!
Yes, my princess, now you can go to the royal ceremony.
What? I can also go to the royal ceremony?
Yes, you can go.
Thank you so much. I'm Cinderella. I'm waiting for my prince to bring my shoes. to get fixed magic potion. Whoever drinks it will get invincible. And my favorite, and my best friend Obelix doesn't have to drink any of it because he fell into the cauldron of magic potion when he was a baby. And now he has permanent effect of it. If there's any mission to do, Chief Vital Statistics will always be me and my best friend Obelix. Obelix is a memorable man, and he's always busy delivering many hugs. I am his favorite friend is Fireball. And we girls are not just called as girls. We are called as the innumerable and the women's heroes. And us girls has to fear only one thing, that the sky fall on our heads. Thank you.
Ellen Mary Bryden. I was born on 11th August 1897. I am an English children's writer. See, these are a few books written by me. My works are full of fairy tales, animals, nature, mystery and adventure. Today, let me tell you about one of my series, that is Famous Five. There are 22 books in this series, all full of adventure, mystery and fun. Julian, Dick, Annie, George and Tim are the five main characters of this series. In this, Timmy is the dog. Do read these books, children. These will give you a feel of adventure and mystery during this time when we cannot go out due to COVID for real fun drives and adventures. These books are great fun to read. Hope you all enjoy reading my works. Thank you.
Habit of reading books develops good thought and engaged the time out of worries. Reading gives us some place to go when we have to stay where we are. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader.
The preamble to the Indian Constitution is a brief introductory statement. Now I invite Adhikesh to read the preamble of our Constitution.
Good morning. My name is S. Adhikesh and I am here to present the preamble of Indian Constitution. The people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitutional Assembly this 26 November 1949 do hereby adopt.
Now I call upon Advay and Swara to speak a few lines on the Indian Constitution.
The Indian Constitution is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers, and the duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens.
It is the longest written constitution of any country on earth. P.R. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, is widely considered to be its chief architect. It imparts constitutional supremacy and was adopted by its people with a declaration in its preamble. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950.
With freedom in our minds, faith in our words, pride in our hearts and memories in our souls, let's sing the national anthem.
to learn, no one can help you. If you're willing to learn, no one can stop you. With this quote, we are ending today's virtual assembly. Hope you enjoyed the assembly as much as we enjoyed presenting it to you. It's me, Swati and Vaishnavi signing off. Hope you have a tantalizing Tuesday ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.